How to delete Instagram account. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. With that you'll land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. With that you'll land to the settings and activity page. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Under your account you'll find the option of account center. Click on it. Now navigate to the option of personal details. Now click on the option of account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Click on your Instagram account. Check in for the option of delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. After you check in for the option of delete account, click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your Instagram account. And then click on continue. Now type in your password over here and then click on continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. If you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted within 1 month. Click on delete account and just wait that your Instagram account will be scheduled for deletion. So this way you can easily delete Instagram account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.